Once upon a time, in a magical land of imagination, there lived a curious and imaginative boy named Nobita. Nobita loved to explore the world around him, and one day, as he wandered through the forest, he stumbled upon something that would change his life forever. Deep within the forest, hidden among the trees, was a mysterious egg. Nobita couldn't believe his eyes as he stared at this strange and wondrous object. He knew that it was special, and he couldn't shake the feeling that it was meant for him to discover. As Nobita examined the egg, it began to shake and vibrate. With a great cracking sound, the egg shattered, revealing a tiny, helpless baby dinosaur. Nobita's heart raced with excitement and wonder. He had never seen anything like it before. Nobita knew that he had to protect this baby dinosaur, but he wasn't sure how. He took the baby dinosaur home and named him Pico. Nobita did his best to care for Pico, providing food and shelter. But it wasn't long before they faced their first challenge. The news of the baby dinosaur spread quickly through the village. And soon, Nobita's house was surrounded by curious onlookers. Some people wanted to see the baby dinosaur, while others were afraid of the unknown. Nobita knew that he had to find a way to protect Pico from the dangers that lurked outside his door. One day, as Nobita and Pico were exploring the forest, they came across a group of hunters. The hunters spotted Pico and immediately began to chase him. Nobita was determined to save Pico from the hunters, so he ran as fast as his legs could carry him. Nobita's bravery and determination inspired Pico to run even faster. Together, they managed to outrun the hunters and make it back to the safety of Nobita's home. But their troubles were far from over. As word spread about the baby dinosaur, more and more people wanted to see Pico. Nobita knew that he had to find a way to keep Pico hidden from the world. He came up with a clever plan. He built a secret underground tunnel that led to a hidden chamber where Pico could hide and play. The tunnel was difficult to find, but Nobita was determined to keep Pico safe. Years went by, and Pico grew into a magnificent dinosaur. Nobita and Pico became the best of friends, and they spent countless hours exploring the forest together. But even as they enjoyed their time together, Nobita knew that one day Pico would have to return to his own kind. He couldn't bear the thought of losing Pico, but he knew it was for the best. On a beautiful day, as the sun was setting over the horizon, Pico announced that it was time for him to return to his own world. Nobita was heartbroken, but he understood that Pico had a family waiting for him. As Pico flew into the sky, Nobita watched in awe as he transformed into a shooting star. Nobita knew that he would always remember the adventures he had with Pico and the lessons he had learned about bravery, friendship, and the importance of protecting what we love. And as he looked up at the sky, he knew that Pico would always be a part of him, forever shining bright in his memories.